Okay, time for journeys. We are on lesson 26. Remember, you can get on Think Central and find your journeys lesson 26 information. I am going to go ahead and read your story for today, and we're going to talk about our vocabulary and our spelling words. So let's look at our vocabulary first. So our story this week is called The Mysterious Tadpole. And obviously we're talking about from eggs to frogs and talking about tadpoles turning into frogs. Okay, so our vocabulary starts out with the word ordinary. Ordinary. An ostrich is not an ordinary bird. It runs quickly but cannot fly. I'm sure you've all seen an ostrich before. They are very large birds and they cannot fly, but people ride them, which I find very strange. Number 2, control. This rider uses reins to stay in control of the camel. So imagine riding a camel. What other animal do we use reins with? If you're riding a horse, you usually have a saddle on the horse and there's reins that help you tell the horse where to go. Okay. Next we have cage, number 3. If you own an iguana, you can let it out of its cage. Well, I wonder how Fred's doing. I'm sure Mrs. True came and picked him up and took him home, so he wasn't all by himself in the building. And he lives in a cage, right? Number 4, upset. This animal is upset because it sees danger. We all know upset. That's when we're either frustrated or scared about something, right? Number 5, sensible. These sensible hippos are smart enough to roll in cool mud on a hot day. When you are sensible about something, it means you're being smart, okay? So these hippos were being smart when they got in the cool mud on a day that was hot. Number 6, confused. Jack was confused. He had never seen an animal like this before. And that's actually called a platypus. And he looks very funny because he has a duck bill and he has fins like a fish and he has a tail like a beaver. So platypus is a very odd animal. And when you're confused, that means you're not sure what's going on, right? Number 7, training. The training of a ferret takes time and patience. So training is when we teach either a person or an animal how to do something that they didn't know how to do before. And number 8, suspiciously. The wolf looked at the woman suspiciously. It does not trust her. When you are suspicious about something, it means you're not sure about it.